Ask anyone my age on which problem you don't want to face in the middle of the night. How would you answer it? Is it a heart attack? Or a loudly snoring partner or an asthmatic attack? I'm sure many of you might be tempted to name these situations, but you will be surprised when I tell you that when the same question was asked from about 250 people between the ages of 40 and 60, majority of them named toothache. There is no need to tell you that all those must have suffered toothache once or more in the middle of the night, making them rush to their dental surgeon the very next day. Dental caries or cavities, as popularly called, is the most common of all the dental diseases in the society. Starting from infants to young adults to not so young adults in their 60s and 70s, this disease doesn't spare anyone. According to one survey, more than 54% of the population suffers from dental caries, and in adults more than the age of 18, about 62% of the people have dental caries. Apart from a lower self-esteem, a painful dental caries is becoming one of the noticeable reasons of other chronic diseases, including hypertension due to disturbed sleep, to obesity and diabetes due to changed food preferences. Even heart disease. Germs causing dental caries can actually enter the bloodstream sometimes and could lead to serious heart conditions, which not only is very resistant to treatment, but could even lead to the death of the patient. How could we prevent this distressing disease? Daily brushing using soft bristles has been practiced by many, but maintaining a good dental hygiene by brushing is just one of the essential do's we need to do to prevent or arrest dental caries. Equally, if not more significant, is not eating processed food and sugar. You will be surprised to know that sugar damaging the enamel of our teeth, leading to caries, was pointed out more than 60 years ago, even before the propagation of fluoride to prevent dental caries. But somehow the focus of the society to prevent dental caries was shifted mainly to daily brushing and using a fluoride toothpaste. Sugar leads to growth of many acid-producing bacteria in our mouth, which in turn dissolves our acid-sensitive calcium-containing tooth enamel. And if this sugar is in a drink which is acidic too, the damage will be further confounded exponentially. You predicted right. I'm hinting at fruit juices, sugary lemonades, and cold drinks. This acid and sugar is the perfect condition of these bacteria to grow and prosper, which place themselves around and in between our teeth. Same sugar is released by processed food containing easily digestible starches like those containing finely ground grains or maida, as it is called in India. Starting from samosas to wafers to water crackers to bread to pasta to pizza to rusks and biscuits, the list is never ending. I call these foods sugar in a wrapper, and this wrapper starts dissolving in the mouth itself, releasing sugar, thanks to our enzymes present in our own saliva. It has been observed in persons suffering from tooth sensitivity and cavities that if they shun all such processed foods along with a total abstinence from sugar, there is a significant improvement in the condition of the teeth and reduction of dental pain within 3 to 4 weeks. Eating a wholesome food which is less acidic and without any sugar, along with daily appropriate brushing, is sufficient to keep our teeth in their pristine condition. We should not forget that a proper chewing effort, which is possible with natural foods containing a lot of fiber, is the most important factor for appropriate jaw development in kids. If the jaw is developed, most of the dental diseases are prevented as such. Also, other measures including taking a nutritional diet with a sufficient natural calcium, proteins, other vitamins and minerals is important for proper mineralization of tooth enamel. Eating homemade curd, which contains many probiotic strains of bacteria, to help in replacing these cavity-causing bacteria. So it's a good idea to eat homemade fresh curd or yogurt without sugar to maintain our dental health. If you feel that watching this small video has benefited you in some way, I request you to press the like button, subscribe to this channel, and forward this video to others too to help them to improve their dental hygiene.